things around the world. There are bubbles, bangles, and pizzas and beans. These all the things appears like round figure, that is called circle. So circles. Circle either can be drawn with a free hand or along with the compass with a fixed point. Let us take a point, a fixed point, and using this fixed point, let us draw a circle. So this is the circle. The fixed point is called center of the circle. From the fixed point, take any point on the circle and join it. This is called radius of the circle. So let us take the point OA. And this OA is called radius of the circle. From the radius and from point O, if you take any other point on the circle, this is also equals to OA. Let's take the point B, and when we compare OA and OB here, so the measurement of OA and OB are equal, and we can understand that from center to any point of the circle is called radius, and that all radii are equal. So here OA is equals to OB is equals to OC. It's called radius of the circle. So there are infinite radii can be drawn for a circle. And let us take, so we understood here, this is OA is equals to OB is equals to OC. It's the radius of the circle. So we have discussed, this is from point A, is the center, to any point of the circle is radius. If we flip this side to left hand and it forms another radius to the point B, and this is called AB. It's the diameter of the circle. So diameter is nothing but the radius and the radius, 2 times of the radius. So diameter is 2 times of the radius. And when we see here, the diameter, it passes to the center of the circle. And when we take here any point on the circle and we join with another point on the circle, this is chord, the chord of the circle. It's chord of the circle. And when we take this chord to the above of the circle and the chord, the sizes increases. So let us take here, this is the chord of the circle is 4 centimeters. Then when we take the points of 2 on the circle above its chord, then the length of the chord increases and it becomes approximately 6 centimeters. For example, and when we observe this chord above chord, this is also called chord because when we join the 2 points on the circle, it's called chord of the circle. And then we understood here the diameter is also called chord of the circle, and this is 10 centimeters. And we have discussed about diameter of the circle. It's 2 times the radius. So OA is 5 centimeters and OB is 5 centimeters. And then it's equal to diameter of the circle. So here we understood. So AB is the chord of the circle, is nothing but diameter, and diameter is called chord of the circle, but every chord is not called as a diameter of the circle. So when we take the above of the diameter, 2 points, when we join it, it's less than the diameter. So and we take the above it, and then it decreases the size of this previous points of this. So let us take this is 6 centimeters. which is EF. And when we take these points, 2 points, and X is GH, and decreases its side, and when we go towards its circumference, so here we have observed here, infinite diameters can be drawn on the circle, and also we have taken any 2 points on the circle which is passing through the center of the circle, its diameter, we have drawn another diameter, and let us take a point here and to the center of the circle, its another diameter. So here we understood infinite diameters can be drawn in a circle, and infinite radii drawn in a circle. So here, let us take a circle, starting point. From this point, if you rotate along with the circle to that particular point, this is called circumference of the circle, and from this point we have taken any other point D, and this point is called center of the circle. We have discussed earlier, and when we join these 3 points, when we join these 2 points from the circle, any point on the circle to the radius, and the radius to another point of the circle, the region is formed. It's called sector. It's nothing but when we have taken a pizza and we cut pizza into some of the parts and take that part of the pizza. There's a part of pizza. This pizza is called sector, the region formed abroad. Here, this is called sector of the circle. Let us take the circle I have taken a circle, the center O, and taken any 2 points on the circle and join these 2 points on the circle. It's called secant of the circle. Let us recall it. We have taken 2 points on the circle, any 2 points on the circle, we have joined it. We call secant of the circle. And take a point on the circle, passing through it, the point, we have drawn a line. This line is called tangent of the circle. It's nothing but when we draw a line which is touching at one point of the circle, it's called tangent of the circle. If it is joining at 2 points, like intersecting, it's called secant of the circle. There's a difference between secant and tangent. Tangent is intersecting the circle at 2 points, but tangent is touching the circle at 1 point. This is the tangent. When we take any point of the circle and through it, we draw a line passing through it. It's called tangent to a circle. Let's take this is xy. xy is tangent to a circle, and what is the center of the circle? From O to the tangent to the circle, we have drawn a line. It's called O to 8. We need to prove that OA is perpendicular to xy. We need to prove that OA is perpendicular to xy. So to prove this, let us take any point which is on outside of the circle, which lies on xy tangent. So let us take this point as Q. When we join this O to Q, forms a line segment. Let us see here. The line which is intersecting the circle is taken as point P. And here we can observe that OA and OP are the radius of the circle. The reason is center to any point of the circle is called radius. Center to any point of the circle is radius. The radii of the circle are equal. So OA and OP are equal here. So OA is equals to OP, that is radius. So here we can observe that OA and OP are equal and OQ is greater than OP. The reason is here OP is a part of OQ. So OQ is always greater than OP. Here we are observing that OP is less than OQ. It's nothing but OQ is greater than OP because OQ is in the part of OP. It's nothing but OP is part of OQ. OP is a part of OQ. So that's the reason OQ is greater than OP. Here we know that OP and OA are equal. So in place of OP, we can take OE. Reason is both are equal. So in place of OP, we are taking it as OA. So OQ is greater than OE. So we understood here. OQ is always greater than OE. And when we take any point on the circle, on outside of the circle, which is on tangent, is always greater than the point which is from the distance from O and A. So here we observe OA is the shortest distance among this all which we have taken the point on xy tangent. So we conclude that OA is the shortest distance from O to xy. So when this is the shortest distance, this is called as perpendicular. So we have proved that OA is perpendicular to xy because it's the shortest distance among all which is lies on the tangent to a circle.